In this lecture, we are going to discuss annual reports. An annual report is a comprehensive report on a company's activities throughout the preceding year. It is an annual document that provides a comprehensive report on the financial activities of the past year of an organization's performance. Along with the financial reports are the reports from key people in and outside of the organization. Annual reports are intended to give shareholders and other interested people information about the company's activities and financial performance. The reports that we have discussed in the previous lectures are also the part of the annual report.